Ladies and gentlemen, now we will show you the new remote control by SmartBus and how we can easily control the DDB from any place. As you can see, for example, I can switch off the AC, or I can even switch on the AC as I wish. If I don't want the AC, let me say I want to go to the music, I can easily play the music, change the music that I want. This is, I'm changing the source to radio as an example, raising the volume, lowering the volume. I can change it to let's say SD card. I can play, and if I want I can just keep pressing and automatically I can mute, or I can play again. I can press again, I can mute, I can make the sound higher or lower. It's up to me to do whatever I need. And it's very easy to change any sequence I want using my remote control. For example, let's say I want to control my lights. I can easily switch on the light. I can easily switch off the light. It's as simple as that. And of course I can do any moods or anything I want. Thank you for your viewing.